Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You have the essentials: an up-to-date MacBook and admin access. Open Automator from Applications and select the workflow type that matches your goal: workflow, application, quick action, or calendar. Once done, identify the exact repetitive task you want to automate and drag the first action from the library into the workflow pane. Make sure to test with a small example file. This avoids cascading mistakes. You'll see how actions chain together, and now you build the logic. Drag actions into the sequence and configure each field so the output of one feeds the next. You'll use variables or the getSpecified Finder Items action when you need fixed inputs, or ask for Finder items to prompt dynamically. Once an action is set, hit play to test that step alone, then test the chain. Make sure to add a pause or error handler action if a step can fail, because catching issues early keeps the workflow reliable. Save your finished workflow with a descriptive name and the correct format so you can run it from Finder, Services, Calendar, or as an app. You can test by running the saved item on real files and observing the result. If something fails, first check permissions and whether file paths changed. Then confirm action ordering and parameter types. If errors persist, isolate the failing action by disabling following steps and retest. One troubleshooting tip: grant full disk access to Automator in System Preferences if files don't appear accessible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.